The Meghalaya Government conducted an urgent meeting today, the 27th of May 2024, to plan for the severe Cyclone Remal, which is approaching the northeast. With heavy rains from Cyclone Remal already hitting Meghalaya, the Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) has issued a red alert for East Khasi Hills, East Jaiñtia Hills, West Jaiñtia Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills and West Khasi Hills on the 27th and 28th of May 2024. An orange alert is also in effect for the Garo Hills and Ri-Bhoi district, where significant rainfall could cause inundation and interfere with daily routines. The state government has also advised residents to turn off electrical and gas connections, secure doors and windows, evacuate if their homes are unsafe, stay tuned to radio updates, follow official warnings, and drink only boiled or chlorinated water during and after the cyclone. Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tinsong announced that the Deputy Commissioners have been instructed to ensure the administration is fully prepared for the cyclone. Vulnerable areas prone to flooding have been identified. The Power, Fire and Emergency Services, the PWD and Forest Departments have been ordered to stay on high alert for any emergencies.
So, I would like to inform that from the government side, right from the state level till the district and even the subdivision level, we are fully prepared, and we have already shared the opinions, the suggestions made by all the district administration, the deputy commissioners and even the police forces. And now I am happy to inform to all of you that as of today, we are fully prepared, and I'm very sure these challenges that we have till this moment, we will also be able to overcome it till tomorrow, because the prediction says that this cyclone will go on till tomorrow, sometimes maybe in the evening or daytime. So friends, I would like to inform all the citizens of the state that from the government side, we are fully prepared, be it financially, be it physically, be it whatever situation arises. We are ready, and we have instructed all the agencies, be it the government agencies, be it the NGOs, be it the stakeholders up to the village level, that they should cooperate and should also work closely with the government machinery, which is already, as I said to you, linked up to the village level. This is what we have taken again the review meeting today, and we would like to inform and communicate to all the citizens of the state not to be panicky, but to also be in touch. Whatever eventuality happen, we are there, and the government is fully prepared for this. Today we have already discussed about this issue, and we leave it to the wisdom of the district administration in consulting with the respective SDSEO or maybe DSEO. So they will take appropriate necessary decision on the ground. From the state government, we don't have to say anything on this. But of course, as I said to you, the advisory note that we have given to the district administration is take necessary steps, take a decision on the ground as and when you feel necessary.